Hi there. In this video I want to go through the steps of doing a transformation when you're given the graph of a function. So on my left here I have an XY axis and a red function drawn there. So that function is y equals fx. So the question below says, given y equals fx, draw the graph of y equals fx plus 3. So basically what we want to do is take that fx graph and then move it up 3. What you do first is mark your critical points, which are the corners on the graph. So they're here. So I'm just marking those corners. And then what I'm going to do is put in a table, record those original points. So the first point there, the x is -8, and then the corresponding y value is -3. And then the next point there, the x value is -4. And then the corresponding y value is 1. And then the next point is -1 on the x-axis, and then 1 on the y. And then the point down here, that is 3 on the x-axis right here, and then -7 on the y. And then the last point there is 4 on the x-axis, and then it is -3 on the y. So what I'm going to do for the transformations is a third column here where I add 3 to that y. So the y is -3. I'm going to add 3, and then that becomes 0. The y here is 1. I'm going to add 3, so that becomes 4. Again, this one is 1. Add 3, so that equals 4. Now I've got -7 plus 3, -4. And then the last one, -3 plus 3 equals 0. So these new y values, I'm going to put them with the original x values, and that's going to move my graph to be the transformation. So I'll put that in brown. So using the same x value, so -8, now the y value is going to be 0. So this is where my new point will be. You can see it goes up 3. Now I'm at my same x value, -4. But instead of at 1, it's going to be at 4. So that's my new point. So that's this one here. Now when x is -1, the new value will be 4 right here. And you can see how that's going up 1, 2, 3, each time. Now when my x is 3, my new value is -4. So right here. And then when x is 4, the new value is 0. So then I can join those points. And you see that this line now is y equals fx plus 3. So that's a simple transformation using the critical points and then plugging them into a table of values to get your new y value. Okay, thanks very much. Miigwech.